Peter Drucker quotes. The best way to predict the future is to create it. Management is doing things right, leadership is doing the right things. There is nothing so useless as doing efficiently that which should not be done at all. The most important thing in communication is to hear what isn't being said. Plans are only good intentions unless they immediately degenerate into hard work. Knowledge has to be improved, challenged, and increased constantly, or it vanishes. Follow effective action with quiet reflection. From the quiet reflection will come even more effective action. Whenever you see a successful business, someone once made a courageous decision. The aim of marketing is to know and understand the customer so well the product or service fits him and sells itself. Effective leadership is not about making speeches or being liked. Leadership is defined by results, not attributes. Create free videos like this via MyGuide. Just Google MyGuide.